Danger is often unpredictable. It may appear from where you don't expect it at all, or it may not appear at all where it would be logical for it to be. Near-death experience captured on camera. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
Bangkok residents have been warned about an impending hurricane, but some drivers believe only their eyes. On the one hand, what could be better than seeing a volcanic eruption with your own eyes, but on the other hand, you still want to stay away from the epicenter of events. Not the best parking spot unless you are trying to hide from someone. A very tense moment that Lady Luck had a hand in. Such natural phenomena are exciting and terrifying at the same time. To assess the quality of the road surface, it is worth waiting for a truck to pass over it. The driver of the black passenger car seemed to know about this, which is why he reacted so quickly.
Wow, what a fantastic phenomena. It's fantastic, man.
The clumsy dog got into a very dangerous situation. Fortunately, a policeman ran to his aid and pulled him out of the water.
Yo! Yo, he's buried. You got him, Duke? Yep, nope. Coming down.
It is unlikely that such fluffy snow is suitable for performing tricks. At least it is good that he has a friend who always comes to the rescue.
Pull. Keep on. Take first base. Pull. Keep on. Oh. So fast. You're good. You're good. Just take a breath.
It was so flat.
It's not just rain, such a downpour will definitely make everyone postpone their business. Alas, millions of people suffer from floods every year and lose their homes. It seems that someone dozed off or completely forgot that he was driving a watercraft. In an instant, not only material damage was sustained, but also a cause for traffic congestion arose. It is not the first time residents of Louisiana have seen a water tornado, however, even they were impressed. There is a legend about a lone wheel that wanders the roads in search of its owner. At first it seems that this is an unremarkable road junction, but as soon as a hot water pipe burst near it, this place became the epicenter of events for the whole city. Apparently this is not the first time this house has experienced such a thing, and given that it is impossible to control the elements, it remains only to live on. Let's hope that someday justice will prevail and the universe will take revenge on the driver of a car. I wonder when he will finally notice that his route has turned out to be destructive for the city. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your like and write in the comments which video you like the most. See you soon. Peace.